Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I talk about videos on YouTube, and in this video we're gonna talk about how I playlist, like how every single video you do must be in a playlist, and how much it really does matter to your audience as well, because if it makes having your new videos in a playlist, it will make things more organized on your channel, and also will help your audience find which video is in which category. You can make your own category by custom making it as well. So another thing is to make sure you write description on your playlist, so your audience will know what's the playlist mainly about. For the homepage, you can also organize the playlist as well. You can sort the playlist as well. I actually made a video about the organizing your videos. You could check it out. Right here is really important, so if you want to check that video out, I go more in deeper detail about that. I'll just make a playlist and make sure you that way you'll be more organized, as well as if you have a new audience member that asks for a certain video, you can say that you have a certain video in your playlist. Will make more sense, and everything will be more organized if you organize your channel, if you are content creator. So it's really important to do so. Another thing is I think I recommend that you have only one video on a playlist. You don't want to make multiple playlists and have the same video in each one. That wouldn't really make sense, but I like what you guys think about that. I feel like having a certain playlist for your channel will make sense, and it will make more sense if there's a certain playlist of those certain type of videos. So that's pretty much it. So just a little bit of a recap. Just make a playlist, and put every single video you make, put into your playlist, and just be more organized, and check out the video I made about how organize your channel page and stuff like that. So you can see the video I made about that playlist right here. Here's a video I made last week, and you can subscribe right here. It would mean a lot to me that I'm bringing in this new channel. And now then is what videos do you want me, type of YouTube related videos you want me to make sure you drop those in the comments, and I'll come back in the first 3 minutes of every upload. So yeah, I'll see you there. I'll see you all next week. High five.